Hi there, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add slider in WordPress website for free. So, if you want to add fully functional modern slider in your WordPress website without spending any money, then this tutorial is perfect for you. But before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor guide and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then let's get started. First thing first, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to the another tab and you can see this is the slider which is fully functional and modern. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can add this type of functional and modern slider in your WordPress website without spending any money. And if I navigate to the another tab, and you can see this is the another slider, and I will show you how you can add this type of slider in your WordPress website. And definitely I will do it with WordPress free plugin. Now I can close this tab and go to the website where I want to add this type of fully functional and modern slider. This is the website where I want to add this slider. So very fast we have to install a WordPress free plugin whose name is Smart Slider and it's completely free. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click add plugin. That's great, and just you have to search your Smart Slider. Great, and it appears very fast. You can see this is the Smart Slider 3. Just click over here, install now. Then they activate. Perfect. After install and activating the plugin, new option is added in left side menu, very bottom. Actually this is the Smart Slider, and if you hover over on it, then you can see dashboard and help center. Just you have to click over here dashboard. That's great. You can see this is the Smart Slider dashboard, and you have to create you have to add slider from here, and very fast. You can see this is a plus sign and new project. Just you have to click here new project. Then it shows what do you want to create today and create a new project. If you want to create or if you want to add slider from very scratch, then you have to click over here create a new project. And if you want to add, if you want to use their pre-built slider or template, in this case you have to click over here start with a template. So in this tutorial I want to use their pre-built slider, so I have to click over here, click start with a template. That's great. You can see there all templates or slider are showing here. Most of them are pro and some of them are free, and you can see this is the type slider. So in this tutorial I want to use slider, that's why I have to select this tab. This is the slider tab, and if you hover over on it, then you will see pro only, and scroll down, and if you hover over another one, then you can see import. That means it's free. So in this tutorial I want to use only free version. That's why just check which slider is perfect for you. Definitely it will be free. So just check this is free, and just scroll down and check one by one which is perfect for you. Okay, so I think again scroll down and I want to use it, and if I hover over on it, then you can see import. That means it's free and it's pro. Okay, so I want to use it, and if you hover over on it, then you can see this is the icon, and if you click here, then you will be able to see the preview. Okay, let's check it. Click here, then this is the slider preview. That's great. It's fully functional and modern design. Then again go to the dashboard and just click here import. If you click on import, then this slider will be imported here. That's great. Click here import. Perfect. You can see the slider is imported and it's 3 slides, slide 1, 2 and 3. That's great. If you hover on it, then you can see this is the edit. That means if you want to edit this slide, then you have to click over here edit. That's great. And this is the date and name. Just hover over on it and click here. Then you can see this is the editor and you can change this text for here. Then again select this text and click here. Then this is the editor and you can change the text from here as well. In same way you can change each and every text or element from here. Then the button, click here, read mode, you can change the text from here and you can give a link here. And if you navigate to the style tab, then you can change the style from here. Okay, just this is the background color, like I want to give it only for the test purpose. That's great. It's perfect. And just close it and from the right side top save it. That's perfect. If you want to change this white background, just select it, select this box and click here. This is the content. You can see you can change it from here. Then the navigate to the style tab and you can see this is the background color, like I want to give it only for the test purpose. That's great. And I can save it. Okay, perfect. Then again close it, or if you want then you can give the animation. Actually it's full version, so just you have to work with style tab and content tab. Then again close it, and if you want to change this image and you can do it, and in this case just you have to select it. That's great. You can see this is the content, then the style. You can see this is the background image. I want to change this background image, so click here this plus sign, and I want to like existing image. If you want then you can add image from your device like computer or laptop. Okay, that's great. Like I want to give it, so check it. That's great. I want to give it, then the select. You can see the image has been changed. That's perfect. Again just I close it and I want to keep as a default image. Again save it from the right side top. That's great. Again go to the full width post slide, just go to the slider, click here, you can see. That's great. And scroll down, you can see this is the full width post slider. Another thing is, and same way you can edit other slide as well. Just if you hover on it, then you can see this is the edit option. So same way you can edit other slide. Then scroll down, you can see this is the slider settings. Actually general, you can see this is the shortcut. That means if you want to show slider anywhere with shortcut, then you can do it. Okay, then the general simple slider, you can check it. Then the size. That's great. If you want, then you can change the slider width and height from here. Then the limit slide width, actually I want to keep it as a default. You can check one by one. You can see boxed and full width. I want to use full width, so it's selected it. Then again control, you can see this is the slider actually horizontal or vertical. So I want to use horizontal. Then the mouse wheel disable. If you want, then you can enable it from here. That's great. And you can change the slider icon from here. Actually go to the website. Already I have closed it. Then again go to the that's great. You can see this is the slider. So if you want, then you can change it. Again go to the editor and check one by one which you want to change. You can do it from here. Okay, then the animation, you can change the animation from here, like this is the horizontal animation and fade. You can give anyone from here. Then the autoplay, definitely I want to autoplay it, so enable it. Then the optimize, you can do it from here. Then the save from the right side top and go to the website. Okay, I want to add here. So if you want, then you can show the slider with the default editor and Elementor. So very first I want to show with Elementor. So edit the page with Elementor, edit with Elementor, click here. That's great. You can see this is the Elementor editor, and very first I want to add the slider. So take a new section and definitely it will be fluid. That's great. Click here this plus sign, and from the left side top click this plus sign and just search here slider. Okay, you can see where is the smart slider. This is the smart slider. Just drag and drop here. That's great. I want to use it full with first slider. So click here, and from the right side top you can see insert. Just you have to click here insert, then the slider will be imported here. That's great. Again publish it from the right side top and go to the website, refresh it and check it. That's great. You can see the slider works fine. Now I have to remove this blank or white space. So again go to the Elementor editor and select this section, navigate to the advanced tab and just remove margin and padding. That's perfect. Again publish it and go to the website, refresh it and check it. That's great. You can see it works fine. So if you want, then you can change each and every element or text from the plugin settings. Then again if you want to show with the WordPress default editor, then you can do it. So again go to the admin dashboard and just add a new page. That's perfect. And title, you have to give a page name or title here. Just I want to give slider only for the title purpose, and from the right side template, default template, I want to give it like Elementor fluid. Then click this plus sign and search here slider, and you can see this is the smart slider. Click here, then again select slider. Okay, you can see available slider here. Again click over here and insert it. Then finally publish it from the right side top. Publish it and go to the page and check it. This is the view page. That's great. You can see it works perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and stay with me.